welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be getting into another wig review, and guys, I am really excited about this hair because I received it from a company called Luvme Hair. And guys, if you have not heard about Luvme Hair, then I really don't know what you're doing with your life, because they are low-key everywhere, okay? And the hair is actually really bomb. So I'm very excited to get into this review with you. I'm going to leave all of their information down below so that you make sure that you're following Luvme and you check out their website. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm going to go over the installation with you, and then I'm going to come back and go over my final thoughts on this unit.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just so.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the pros of this unit. So my very first pro with this hair is that it is super duper soft. Like, it is ridiculously soft. And it felt this good right from the beginning. Like, as soon as I brought it out of the package, I was like, damn, this hair is soft. So I really liked that about this hair. Another pro about this hair is that there is no tangling and there is no shedding with this unit. I love a wig that does not have any tangling or shedding. Like, I seriously couldn't ask for more. You know, who wants to walk around with tangles in their hair? Not I. The third pro about this unit is that it is big head friendly. So it does come with those adjustable straps, and also comes with the elastic band that you can clip in to give you like extra security if you want. I didn't even need the elastic band. I just adjusted the straps and I had a really snug fit with this unit. So I love that you know, different head shapes and head sizes will be able to use this wig comfortably. Another pro with this unit is the density. The density is not too thick and it's not too thin, so they really did an excellent job with the density here, especially when you have like a long sleek kind of look like this, you really want to make sure the density is on point, because if it's too thick, it just takes away from the sleekness of this hair. And then if it's too thin, it just looks bad. Who wants a scraggly thin wig? I don't. So Love Me hair definitely gets a thumbs up as far as density for this unit. All right, guys, and last but not least, my favorite thing about this hair is the lace. Hands down, the lace is absolute perfection. It actually comes a little tinted, so you don't really need to put any contour powder. Like if it matches your skin complexion, it matched my skin complexion to a T. But I did still go in and put some contour powder in it, even though I didn't really need to. I don't know, I feel like I always have to put my own little spin on things, so I went in with the contour powder just a little bit in the front and then also in the part. And also with the part, I did do a little bit of plucking there. You don't have to pluck this unit. Like, the hairline is beautiful, it comes pre-plucked, and they did an excellent job with plucking it. But I did pluck the part a little bit just to open up that part a little bit more, make it look a little bit more natural. But you honestly don't have to do that, and I definitely did not need to pluck anything in the front of this unit. This unit does come with some baby hairs. If you want to have the baby hair look popping off, you can definitely do that. Another thing about this lace is that it really allows for a lot of versatility when it comes to different hairstyles. You get so much lace. It's that ear-to-ear lace, and then it goes back about 4 to 5 inches in the back, you know, for parting. So you get a lot of lace to play with. So you can do like a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do a half up, half down situation. I mean, there are just so many different things that you can do with this lace, so I love that. I definitely chose the side part. At first I thought I was gonna really like the middle part, but honestly sometimes the middle part doesn't suit me. I feel like I've always kind of been a side part kind of gal. Like, no matter what, a side part will always look cute on me, but a middle part is like hit or miss. So, but anyway, that rant was so unnecessary. The whole point of this is that you can honestly do a middle part or a side part, or you know, whatever other part you want to try, you can do that because you get a lot of lace in the front of this unit. Now let's talk about some of the cons about this hair. Now guys, I really tried my best to find some cons, and I couldn't really find a lot. I only found 2 cons with this unit, and the first con is that this unit doesn't really hold a curl for a long time if you don't put any product in it. And I mean, that's not even really like a terrible con, because if you think about it, if you have your natural hair out, you can't just put some curls in it and not put any holding spray or anything, right? So it's not really like a con that makes it like the end of the world, you know. But yeah, I did notice that you have to put some hairspray or some like setting lotion or something to make the curls last all day. The second con is that it did come with some of those like flyaways at the top of the wig, like those little short pieces that come with wigs sometimes, and that kind of gets on my nerves. I don't really like that. But it didn't come with a whole lot, which I was really happy about, so it was easy to just pluck them out. But I still don't like when I see the flyaways, because that just gives me extra work to do, and your girl don't want to do too much work when she's working really good day. So yeah. But anyway, loves, that's it for this video. Honestly, I love this hair. I love working with Luvme. Like, their hair is really good quality. I've never had a bad experience with a unit from them, and I have a lot of friends and family who ends up getting wigs from Luvme as well, and they love their hair. They've never had a bad experience with Luvme hair. So honestly, like, their hair is good. They have good quality hair. So I encourage you guys to check them out. I will leave all their information down below in the description box. And also, guys, make sure that you check me out on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. I will leave my information down below as well. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you all on my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.